Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Leonardo and here in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about SQL. SQL is a really important skill to have in your software engineering career and for a good reason. Uh, Basically, the whole internet and many apps are using SQL. For example, let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is using SQL. And SQL allows us to work with databases. And what is a database? Well, a database is just a computer server or many computer servers that help us to store, manipulate, and retrieve data. And it supports a language, for example, SQL. And there is a database management system that it actually allows us to work with an actual database. It's just an application, a piece of software to work with databases. And there are many examples. One that I'm going to teach you how to install locally on your machine is Postgres. And there are many examples of a database management system like MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, um, SQLite, yada. So what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. And so it is a language that allows us to work with structured data in making queries. And it is very easy to pick up. I would recommend for beginners to learn SQL. The reason is very easy because it is just plain English. For example, I want to say a syntax and select start from customer. So you can see it's just plain English. And the way that SQL works is with tables. A table is like, let's say, imagine like a box where you can store specific data, and it is about something. That's how I can describe it. And a table has a name, let's say a customer, and it has attributes, or you can also call them columns. If a customer can have a first name, last name, address, age, and other attributes or columns. And there are rows, and rows is the actual data. Let's say for first name, that is the column, the row will be Leonardo for TH and 17 and so on and so forth. So you can get the point of that.
To show you an example here with graphic things, what I was talking about table, you can imagine this thing like a table with the name, customer, and the car table with its own attributes, first name, last name, and age, and for the car, brand, model, and color. And SQL works in a particular way and is working with relational data. We have the option to work with relational databases. That's the special thing about SQL. And working with relational data can keep our data in a structured way. That's why SQL is called a structured query language. And the reason why is made like that, this language to work with relational data, it is because it shows more of a realistic example because there are many relationships between things. For example, customer with a car, and a customer can not only have a relationship to a car, it can also have a relationship to a pet, for example, with its own attributes like the name of the pet, the age of the pet, and what kind of animal it is, if it is a dog, a cat, yada. So, in the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install PostgreSQL in your local machine. So here, inside the website of Postgres, PostgreSQL.org is our website. Go to download. After that, depending on your operating system, for me it this window, so I'll go here, go to download the installer. And here you'll be watching the different versions and different architectures for the CPU. If yours is 64 bytes, go there. If not, it's just 32, go there here. So press here, you're on Windows. And, and I'll be downloading. I'm not going to download it because I already have it on my machine, but I'll be showing you screenshots on the video just you can follow the process of installation. And now to check if we have the version of PostgreSQL, we just go to our terminal. Let me clear this up. Go to and type Postgres dash version. You can see here, and just to show you other commands of Postgres, just this might help, and you'll be seeing the many options.
So just to let you know, I'll be teaching you Postgres or using it in the command line. And I'll be not showing you how to use it with the UI or the software because it is more more productive using the command line to work with Postgres. And if you go to any other machines, let's say like Linux, you'll just be using the command line. So that's the reason why. So I hope you have liked this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not to show me and support. Like this video and comment down below if you would like to if you would like me to do something better, like a feedback, so it's a win-win for both of us. And down in the description, I have a link for my Discord and server. I just created a server on Discord, so you can have a chat with me personally. We can talk. We can talk about and at the channel, and so it will be better for you because you'll be benefiting of my videos, and I'll be improving with my YouTube content. So win-win for both of us. And have a nice day.